You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than -62. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than -62.